Jesus gave us a money principle that most stock traders completely ignore. Luke 16:10 says, "Whoever is faithful in very little is also faithful in much." And you may not realize it, but that is a principle that applies directly to investing. I'm Michael, and I help church leaders learn how to trade stocks and options for extra income. And most people want to chase, those big returns before they've proven that they can handle the small responsibilities. They want more capital, and they're going to put a ton of money into it before they've ever really built the discipline needed to trade successfully over the long term. And they want that financial freedom before they've learned financial restraint. In trading, how you manage a small account tells the entire story about how your future is going to look. Do you follow your rules when trading may be boring? Do you limit your risk when you could push harder? Do you stay patient when nothing seems to be setting up for you? These are the moments that reveal far more than a big winning trade. God doesn't bless chaos with more responsibility. Instead, He grows faithfulness. That's true in your ministry, it's true in your business, and it's true in your investing. That's why I care so much about defined risk and small position sizing and repeatable systems. Not because they're exciting, but because they work and because they train good stewardship. And so if you can manage these small trades well, then you're building the habits that are required for long-term success. And if you can't be trusted with a little, a big account is not going to fix the problem. So if you want to learn how to trade in a way that builds discipline and starting with a small account and it helps you get clarity and consistency, let me know by giving me a follow or drop a question in the comments. And I'll see you in my next video.